Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the maths class. Let's continue chapter number 5, Shapes and Design. We have completed the book exercise of this chapter. Now we will do worksheet and some extra questions. Worksheet. Now question, which of the shapes are square? See the shapes A, B, C, D, E and F. So which one is the picture of square? Answer is D, because A is rectangle, B is triangle, C is again rectangle, E is again rectangle and F is also rectangle. So answer is D, square. Next question, look at the figure below. A, B, C, D is a figure, and look carefully this figure and now answer these questions. Is this a square? Say, this is a square or not? No, it's not a square, because in this figure A and D is a curved line, and square has all the sides straight lines. Now next B, look at B and C. Are they corner? Yes, B and C are corners, because corners are made up of meeting two straight lines. So here AB and BC are straight lines and they are meeting at point B. So B, and again CD is also a straight line, BC is also a straight line. So this is again a corner. So answer is, are they corners? Yes, they are corners. Now next question, are A and D corners? No, because AB is a curved line. So corners are made up of only straight lines. Look at the figure given below. Next, fourth question, A, B, C, D. Is this a square? No, it's not a square, because square is a closed figure. Look at B, C and D. Are they corners? Yes, they are all corners, because they are made up of meeting straight lines. Is A corner? No, because at point A two lines are not meeting, so it's not a corner. Next question, A square has dash straight edges and dash square corners. So a square has how many straight edges? 4. And how many square corners? 4. So a square has 4 straight edges and 4 straight corners. Now B, a square has sides which are dash in length. So there is a special feature of square, that all the sides, all the lines of a square are equal in length, whereas in rectangle only opposite sides are equal. Here all the sides are of equal length. So here answer is equal in length. Now next, on the grid, draw shapes by connecting the dots. You have to draw these lines on these points and join, and you will get square and rectangle. Is it possible to draw a square with a curved side? Say yes or no. No. Now B, with 3 corners? No, it has 4 corners. Just now we have read. Now C, with 5 sides? No, it has only 4 sides. Do this worksheet in your notebook. Next question. Look at the following table and tick the names of things that have corners. Also count the number of edges and corners in each of them. First one is die. Die, you play Ludo, snake and ladder, etc. Now with the dice, that is the die. So what is the shape of that die? Cube. Now whether it has corners? Yes. Number of edges? It has 12 edges. And number of corners are 8. It has 8 corners. Now next one is ball. It has corners? No. Number of edges? No. Number of corners? No. Then next one is eraser. Again, eraser is also in shape of a cuboid. So it has corners? Yes. Number of edges? 12. And number of corners? 8. Egg. Egg is again spherical in shape, round like ball. So it has corners? No. Number of edges? No. Number of corners? No. Now sheet of paper. It has corners? Yes. Sheet of paper may be a square or rectangle, but both will have corners. How many edges? Only 4, both rectangle and square. And number of corners? They are also 4. Now check your answers from here, whether you have done it correctly or not. Do this exercise in your notebook. This is the answer for question number 8. Now here are some extra questions. Name 3 objects which have only curved edges, which don't have straight edges. Name those 3 things. Answer is ball, egg, wheel, etc. have curved edges. Question 2. Name 3 objects which have only straight edges. Cupboard, table, box, etc. have straight edges. Next, draw a colorful picture using all the basic shapes. Here you can draw any shape in which all the 4 basic shapes are there: circle, square, rectangle and triangle. Using these basic shapes, you have to draw one picture and color it. You may draw a clown, a train, a bus, a house, or any other using your imagination. Now next question. Draw a picture using only one shape. You choose one shape only: circle, rectangle, triangle or square. Any one shape, and with the help of that single shape you have to draw a picture and color it. Again you have to do all these questions in your notebook. Hope you will understand and you have understood and do it in your notebook. We'll continue in the next class. Till then, keep learning. Bye.